Stop scrolling. What I am about to show you in this video is something the people already making money online are hoping you never find out. Not because it is complicated, not because it is expensive, but because the simpler this looks, the more people will do it, and the window gets smaller. You have 10 minutes. Watch the whole thing. Right now in 2026, there are complete beginners with zero experience making $500 a week online using nothing but free and low-cost AI automation tools. Not influencers, not programmers, not people with a decade of business experience. Everyday people who simply learned the right system and started applying it. In today's video, I am going to show you that exact system step by step. So if you have ever wanted to make real money online but had no idea where to start, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pick your income method. Before you touch a single AI tool, you need to pick one income method and commit to it. This is where most beginners fail. They try 3 things at once, get overwhelmed, and quit. So I am going to give you the 3 fastest paths to $500 a week using AI automation, and you are going to pick exactly one. Option 1 is AI content services. You use AI tools to create content for businesses, things like social media posts, blog articles, email newsletters, and video scripts. Businesses need this content every single week, and most of them have no time to create it themselves. You become the person who delivers it for them using AI. Option 2 is AI automation setup. You learn to build simple automations using tools like Make.com and Zapier, and then you charge small businesses and freelancers to set those automations up for them. A single automation setup can earn you between $100 and $500. Build 2 a week and you have already hit your target. Option 3 is digital product creation. You use AI to research, write, and package digital products like ebooks, templates, prompt packs, and guides. You set them up once and they sell on autopilot through platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Pure passive income powered by AI. All 3 paths work. All 3 are beginner-friendly. Pick one, move to Step 2. Step 2. Build your AI tool stack for free. Here is the best part. You do not need to spend money to start. Every tool I am about to mention has a free plan that is more than enough to get you to $500 a week. ChatGPT is your foundation. You will use it to write content, research niches, create product ideas, write proposals, draft emails, and communicate with clients. The free plan handles all of this. If you want to move faster, the $20 per month paid plan is worth every cent once you are already earning. Canva AI is your design tool. Use it to create thumbnails, social media graphics, ebook covers, presentation decks, and templates. Magic Studio on the free plan gives you enough AI features to produce professional quality visuals without any design experience whatsoever. Make.com is your automation engine. The free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month, which is plenty when you are starting out. This is where you build the systems that save your clients' time, and where you build the systems that save your own time. Notion AI handles your business organization. Client details, project timelines, content calendars, invoices, proposals all in one place. Free to start and essential for staying organized once work starts coming in. These 4 tools together cost you $0 to begin. That is your starting stack. Step 3. Find your first client or customer. This is the step most beginners skip over, and it is the most important one. You can have the best tools in the world and make 0 money if nobody knows you exist. So here is exactly how you find your first paying client or customer this week. If you chose AI content services, go to LinkedIn right now and search for small businesses or solo founders in any niche you find interesting. Look at their content. If their posts are inconsistent, low quality, or non-existent, they need you. Send them a direct message that says something like, "I noticed your content has been quiet lately. I help businesses like yours stay consistent on social media using AI. Would you be open to a quick 5-minute call this week?" That message alone, sent to 20 people a day, will get you responses. Charge $200 to $500 per month per client. 2 clients and you have hit $500 a week. If you chose AI automation setup, go to Upwork or Fiverr and create a simple service listing offering to build Zapier or Make.com automations for small businesses. Your headline should say something like, "I will automate your repetitive tasks using Make.com or Zapier so you never do them manually again." You do not need reviews to start. You just need to be specific about what you offer. Your first automation job will teach you everything. If you chose digital products, use ChatGPT to research what people are already buying on Etsy and Gumroad. Search terms like Notion templates, ChatGPT prompt packs, or AI productivity guides. Pick one product type that already has proven buyers, use AI to create a better version and list it. Your first sale could come within 48 hours. Step 4. Deliver the work using AI. This is where AI automation turns your effort into serious leverage. Whatever income method you chose, here is how you use AI to do the heavy lifting. For AI content services, your workflow looks like this. Client gives you a brief. You feed it into ChatGPT with your master prompt template. ChatGPT produces a full month of social media content in under 10 minutes. You review it, make minor edits, drop the visuals into Canva AI, and deliver a polished content package in under an hour. What looks like hours of work to your client took you 45 minutes. That is your margin. For automation setup, you watch one tutorial on Make.com or Zapier for the specific automation your client needs. You build it, you test it, you document it in Notion, and you deliver a short Loom video walking the client through how it works. The whole job takes 2 to 3 hours. You charge $150 to $300. That is $60 to $150 per hour using completely free tools. For digital products, ChatGPT writes your ebook or guide in under an hour. Canva AI designs the cover and formats the pages. You upload it to Gumroad in 20 minutes. From idea to published product in under 3 hours. Then you use ChatGPT to write your product description, your marketing posts, and your launch emails. AI does almost everything. Step 5. Scale to $500 a week and beyond. Once you have your first client or your first sale, scaling to $500 a week is a system problem, not a talent problem. Here is the exact system. Week 1. Land your first client or make your first sale. Proof of concept. Week 2. Deliver excellent work and ask for a testimonial or a review immediately. Week 3. Use that testimonial to land a second client or promote your product to a wider audience. Week 4. Automate your own delivery process so each job takes less time than the one before. With AI content services, 2 clients paying $250 a month each equals $500 a week. That is your target. 2 clients, recurring monthly income, automated delivery. With automation setup, 4 jobs a week at $125 each hits $500. As your skills and reputation grow, that number climbs fast. With digital products, if your product sells for $25, you need 20 sales a week. Sounds like a lot, but with the right SEO on Etsy and consistent promotion on social media using AI written posts, this is completely achievable within 60 days of starting. The key principle across all 3 paths is this. You are not trading time for money in the traditional sense. You are using AI to multiply your output, so that 1 hour of your time produces what used to take 5 hours. That is the whole game. So here is your action plan starting today. Step 1. Pick one income method from the 3 I gave you. Step 2. Set up your free AI tool stack. Step 3. Reach out to 10 potential clients or create your first product this week. Step 4. Deliver your first job using AI tools. Step 5. Reinvest the money into growing faster. $500 a week is not a dream. It is a system. And now you have the system. If this video helped you, hit that like button right now, because it helps this channel reach more beginners who need exactly this. Drop a comment below telling me which income method you are going to start with, and I will personally reply with tips specific to your path. Subscribe so you never miss what we put out. Every single week, we bring you real, actionable AI strategies that actually work in the real world.